Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to manage pre-entry climate control. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and next go to Menu. Enter pre-entry climate control and now edit departure time. For example, let's select 9 AM. Now select once or weekly profile, add new time, and now select days and edit departure time. OK. Now you can enable activation when unlocked or driver's seat on. And pre-entry climate control is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.